Sabi ni Mayon, wag mo akong unahan. Let me explode first. I don't know why, but bakit ang mga Bicolano ang inuna? Marami namang, well, of course, Pinatubo was also really hell for us. So, in any situation, in any country, at any time or event, always remember that if a thing can go wrong, it will go wrong. Just like ngayon. So sabihin ho ninyo ngayon kung anong sorry, may Tagalog. Ano yung pagkukulang namin. You stick with your Bicolano, ito mga Tagalog, mahirap. Pagkukulang, we will try to answer, mitigate or remedy the situation.